Let me show you how we can merge two PDFs into one longer PDF document. Head to the website called iLovePDF.com, and this is actually the very first tool on the list, Merge PDF. Click on that, and now you need to select your PDF files, or simply drag and drop them here. So I got two files here, and now I can even reorder them to decide which one will be the first one, which one will be the second one. You can always add more files by clicking this button here. Now we can click the merge button. As you can see, the login is not required. You can do it without even logging in. And the download should start automatically. Here it is. So it's the first one. And then after that, it's the second one. Alright, so we managed to match two PDFs with 6 pages each into one longer one with 12 pages without any hassle using iLovePDF. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.